Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own alliance on the Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device, and after completing the basic tutorial level, you will get your own starter deck, which you can use in order to play more and more matches. Once you complete a certain level, the alliance menu will be unlocked at the top section. So go ahead and click on it. And now you will see the join as well as the create menu. Click on the create button to create your own alliance. And now you can choose your emblem by clicking on the edit button. Choose your desired emblem or logo from the given list. And once you are done, you can choose the theme as well. You can also choose various taglines and then type in your alliance name. You can also type in a description if you wish and then enter the minimum collection level. You can also set the minimum highest rank achieved and then choose whether you want this to be an open alliance or invite only. You can then choose your language and also add search labels. After entering all of your details, click on the gold icon in order to spend 100 gold to create your alliance. After you spend your entered gold, your alliance will be created. And now you can start inviting other members and start playing matches right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your very own alliance on the Marble Snap game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.